Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with TradeStation, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the TradeStation website. Click on the sign up button to create a new account. Fill in the required personal information in the registration form. Review and accept the terms and conditions. Once registered, log in to your new TradeStation account. Navigate to the Accounts tab on your dashboard. Choose the type of account you want to open, such as individual or joint. Complete the application by providing additional financial information. Submit your application and wait for approval. After approval, fund your account by linking your bank account. Select Deposit Funds from the Accounts menu. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and confirm the transaction. Now, return to the main dashboard. Click on the Trading tab to access the trading platform. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the trading interface. Use the search bar to find stocks, ETFs, or other assets you're interested in. Select an asset to view its detailed information and charts. Analyze market trends using the available tools and indicators. To place a trade, click on Buy or Sell based on your strategy. Enter the quantity of shares you want to trade. Review the order details before clicking Submit. Monitor your open positions through the Portfolio section. Set alerts for price changes or news updates related to your investments. Regularly review your portfolio to adjust your strategies as needed. Stay informed on market news and updates through TradeStation resources. Continue educating yourself with available tutorials and webinars. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.